Okay, yeah, hi again. So this brand sent me a box, but I don't know who it is. Okay, so let's. Oh, it's Skinproud. What? So this is their Skinproud collection. Oh, I recently received their skincare box. Oh yeah, they reached out to me by email. So this is the card they sent me. I've never tried their hair brand, so it smells very good. Like coconut, it's very summery. It looks so cool too. Like, I'm excited to try these shampoos. Okay, so this is their information, their brands, their website. I don't know why it says Walmart. I don't know if they sell this at Walmart. That's weird, but it's pretty cool if they do, because it's kind of inexpensive. It's pretty affordable. Like it's $7 and like, so those are the products they sent me. So the hair mask, shampoo, and conditioners. Okay, so I like that it says like what it's good for and all that. So here, let me show you so I can read it. There. Who's hot? Okay. So, the first thing is this conditioner. Oh, okay. Oh, I love the bottle. It looks so cool. Well, this is actually filled up all the way to the top. That's cool. Okay, so this is the back. So it is cruelty free and vegan. So this one's good for you. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love this one. So this one is just basically like any typical conditioner. So this is very, it says, oh, no wonder, let me smell it. Wait, it says like, it smells like coconut, but it doesn't say it has coconut, which is weird. But it does have like argan oil and all these things. So look, those are the ingredients, and right here. Let me see. I think it's white. I'm pretty sure. Let me open it. Yeah, it is white. So good. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, y'all are gonna like this one. Wow, this is good. So this is hydrates and nourishes your hair, which I use. Okay, so the shampoo is basically the same thing. It's just shampoo version. So it says normal to dry hair types. So if you're oily, I'm sorry. It's probably not for you. I mean, you can still use it, but this is not what they're geared for. So, but you see, it's the same thing. And well, it's pretty medium, good size. It's not too small, but not too big. I felt. I just love their packaging. It's so cute. Alright. Yes, this shampoo, obviously it smells the same. Oh, it's just clear and white. So it smells so good. Okay. So lastly, I'm gonna try and do this fast, but I can't. Okay. It's the hair mask. So this one's this one, okay, this is color safe. That's pretty cool. So if you dye your hair a lot, you can use this one. So these are the ingredients and what it's used for in the back. So because I don't feel like reading everything right now. So let me open it. Okay, this one does have a safety cap. So I can't, let me see, let me open it. So oh, this one smells kind of different, like more fruity, a little bit more floral, not coconutty like the other ones, but it's white. This smells good too. Very like tropical, summery scent. Okay, I like their hairline right now. Okay. Wow, I kind of want to use it right now. So this moisturize, protects, and primes. So wow, okay, so this one looks so good. Like, okay, so this basically all they sent me, they're 3 hair products. So yay, thank you so much, hair product. Skinproud is their skincare brand, but their hair brand is Hair Proud, you know. So yay. So that's pretty much it. Okay, bye, thanks for watching. Oh, I'll probably do like a maybe a review or show like an update of my hair, like before and after, maybe. Okay, so yeah, bye. Thanks for watching. So hi guys, so today I'm gonna talk a little bit about the Skinproud shampoo and conditioner, and let me tell you, it smells very good. And this is my hair washed second day. Yeah, because yesterday I washed it and it made my hair look soft and feel soft and smell good. Like, I kept smelling it. Oh, like, it smells good. It still smells good, and it's the second day already, and it still looks like clean and fluffy, a little soft. Like, it gets a little bit of volume in. I have thin hair, and it looks like I have a little something. So, and it looks and feels clean, so which I love. So Skinproud is a skincare brand, so for them to come out with a shampoo line and that works, it's like, wow, so amazing. It's so awesome. So I just wanted to do that mini review, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna continue to use it. They both smell good, feel good, and it's crazy because usually shampoos smell doesn't last like the second day, I don't think, but this time kind of still smell it a little, so I like it. So I'm gonna continue to use it, so y'all should try it out. It's a good shampoo line. So yeah, I just wanted to do that. Oh yeah, and thank you again, Skinproud, for sending me this package. Oh my gosh, because I did need it to restock on shampoo and conditioner, so it came the perfect time. Like, I didn't have to go buy some at the store because they sent me this, and what, like, that makes my day. Like, you know, when brands send you stuff whenever you need them, it's like they know, right? But they don't. It's kind of like cool, right? It's like a blessing, right? It's like you need it and then it is right there in front of you for free. Like, yes, amazing. Like, yeah. So yeah, okay, I'm just gonna end it here. So bye, thanks for watching.